Hello everyone, my name is Aitenova. I am 8th grade student in International STEP School of Astana, and our local problem in Kazakhstan that we have limits of electroenergicity. So I introduce my project Qazaq Tech. I made a survey on February 2026 and 50% of respondents say that too many resources are spent on infrastructure. Main problem is high operating cost and street lightings depends on central power grids, make them vulnerable to power outages. My plan is study the operating principles of solar panels and strong devices. The second, select optimal electronic central grid. Third, assemble a different version of a billboards and lamps. Fourth, calculate energy consumption and required panel power. Fifth, assemble a working prototype and test its effectiveness. And last one is conclusion. State of Kazakhstan due to influence of electricity. Kazakhstan ranks 20th among 221 countries in carbon dioxide emissions and 10th in per capita emissions. According to the last inventory, greenhouse gas emissions in 2020 amounted to 351 million tons of CO2 equivalent carbon dioxide. Consumption was 113,890 billion kilowatts per hour, while production was 114,447 billion kilowatts per hour. Initiative. Qazaq Tech offers a solution using renewable energy, solar energy, for city infrastructure. This will help conserve resources and boost the city's economy. My idea is to install an autonomous power plant, solar panels for the city's infrastructure and light. Now I will show how it works. See, I made it by Arduino, so I write a code. Using Python language, and let's start simulation. 1 second please. Let's see, this is a dark, so it burns. Takes energy from solar panel, and when it's light, lamp is not lighting. This visual effect, how it would look like. So how my product works: a 9-volt battery connected to the Arduino Uno DC barrel jack. It stores energy during daylight hours. A solar panel connected to the WIN and GND pins on the Arduino board. It serves as a power source by converting light energy into electrical energy. Arduino Uno board, this is the central control unit. It processes the user uploaded program and manages the output signals. Resistor monitors the received energy to avoid overconsumption. Photoresistor, a semiconductor sensor that decreases its electrical resistance as the light intensity increases. Small light bulb or LED controlled by the Arduino. How does solar panel and energy storage works? Solar panel collects solar rays. It strikes the photovoltaic layer and active semiconductor materials, usually silicon. Sunlight causes electrons to be released from both layers. The vacated space from the first layer are filled by electrons from the second layer. This constant movement of electrons leads to the natural generation of voltage and the external circuit. As a result, one of the photovoltaic layers acquires a negative charge and the other a positive one. Aitenova solar panels are growing alternative energy source. They are often used to create an independent power supply for summer cottage and private homes. When properly installed, solar power plants SPPs ensures high energy efficiency on sun days and in a rainy weather. And risks. First is fire, second short circuit, third insufficient solar panel performance, faulty circuit components, inappropriate disposal of hazardous components such as lead and cadmium, varying efficiency at different times of the year, excusement sunlight reaching the panels, environmental factors leading to the deterioration of performance. And my solution is with proper installation, quality materials such as lithium and other metals, regular technical inspections, proper disposal of hazardous materials in solid municipal waste bins, and maintenance. Solar panels will pay for themselves and become a real solution to the problem of energy shortage. And this is main problem of my country, Kazakhstan. We don't have any solar panel system in city infrastructure, so we need them because one lamp, like this lamp, uses 63 tenge per day. It's equals to 14 cents dollars, and at board 168 tenge per day is equal to $60,600. Let's do it. So with my panel, it would be pay for themselves during whole year, so it would economize our electricity that we have a little dissipate. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open electronic platform for creating interactive projects. The platform consists of a physical board with microcontroller and software IDE used to write and upload programs to the board. The microcontroller on the board is the main component. It's responsible for controlling various external devices. The Arduino platform supports a simple and intuitive program language based on C++. As you can see, this is first is microcontroller. It's used programs and processing information. Second is the USB port is needed for downloading the program. Third is power connector. 4 is input output. It's need for reading analog values such as voltage. Fifth is power connector for external components. Sixth is a LED indicator. Several LED indicators display the board's operating status and program debugging. One of them is customizable. Seventh is a quad resonator used to generate a precise clock signal required for the microcontroller. And 8 is reset button used to stop the program and reset the microcontroller. Why Arduino? Low power consumptions. Arduino is ideal for systems with a limited solar power because we need to use a lamp for a night time of day, and we don't have any sun, so it's good for this. Flexible power management. The controller can be put into sleep mode, significantly saving power during the daylight part of day. reliability in the event of a power failure or a completely discharged battery. The controller restarts correctly when power is restored. And accessibility and flexibility, easy programming, and a large numbers of sensors allowed for complex control scenarios. Why is my initiative useful? My initiative is useful and significant because it solves problems such as economic efficiency and energy conservation, compliance with legal and technical standards, environmental aspects and sustainable development, and technology reliability. So my initiative is not only for my home country, Kazakhstan, and for other countries who have energy problems and deficit. This is my APA style. I used 18 different resources such as international sites and official Kazakh and sites and journalistic Kazakh articles, including from Kazakhstan government sites. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.